What is up, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have an unboxing for you guys today, and I have something pretty special in here. It's something that I want to talk about because I've seen a couple videos talking about this main thing that's in here, and I kind of just want to give my opinion on these pairs of shoes. You know, what a surprise, a pair of shoes. But we have a special box right here that came all the way from Paris. Yes, these traveled from Paris to over here where I'm at, and yeah, they finally arrived. It took a minute, but we have it. That's all that matters, and we're gonna unbox this bad boy right now. And yes, I'm wearing a hat. Reason why I'm wearing a hat, my hair is a freaking mess. But I think this is the first time I ever wore a hat in a video. But don't let that distract you from this box right here. We're gonna unbox it, and like I said, it's a pretty special unboxing. And yeah, we'll see what's inside the box. So let's get to it. So it came in this brown box. Obviously I took off the label and stuff so you guys don't see my address. Yeah, so I believe these dropped last week. Retail was $225, not bad, and it's been these shoes has been a little bit of hype, but here we have it. We have a Jordan box. Man, I should grab these on the PSG website, the PSG official website, where you can buy like the jerseys and stuff. And if you don't know what PSG is actually a football team out there in Paris. And we have the PSG Jordan 5s. Now these right here are nice. Not gonna lie, these are nice. But like I said, there's been, you know, a couple you know, how do you call it? There's been some people that don't really like these, but in my opinion, I personally like them. And this is actually my first pair, because I actually hit on the Nike sneaker app when they dropped. I believe it was like last week. So I have two pairs of these. I didn't know if I was gonna let them go, but just like seeing them in person, these are hard. I really like these, and I don't know, should I keep both of them? Should I sell one, keep one? Should I rock one, stock one? I don't know, but these are nice. These are really nice. You know, it's a Jordan 5. You have Paris in this netting right here with the Jumpman. Right there it says Paris. You have the number 75, which I believe is the postal code in Paris or something. It has to do something with the code down there. I don't even know. You got white shark teeth with like black speckles on there. Obviously this whole upper is black. It has some nice suede nubuck material on this bad boy. You guys can see black laces. What else? Your tongue is actually 3M, and then it's black, and then you got that Jumpman in black as well. You got this lace lock, clear lace lock with this red. I don't even know what the fuck that is, honestly. And then on the inside of the shoe it says Paris on there as well. And you got a little like shark spike right there with black speckles. And then on your bottom you obviously have some translucent bottoms, and it has the Paris logo right there in red, which is a nice, very nice touch. And then on the back of the shoe it actually has that Paris PSG logo with this little red, white and black stripe going down. This right here is a nice, very nice touch in my opinion. And then on your insole, it actually says something in French, but I'm not even gonna try because I don't know anything in French. But on the inside of the shoe, it actually says Paris on the left shoe. And then on the right shoe, it says, yeah, I'm not gonna pronounce that. I have no clue how to say that. I don't know, maybe I have no clue what that means. But yeah, and here's the right shoe, same thing. Paris on that netting right there with the Jumpman, the 75, the PSG logo with the red, white, and black stripe. Like I said, there's been some people that been talking about this shoe that they don't like it, and the reason why is because this looks like the metallic black 5s that dropped, what was it, like a couple years ago or something. And I'm not gonna lie, whoa, this shoe looks exactly like the metallic 5s, black metallic 5s, just with like little different touches. On the black metallic 5s, there's a 23 instead of a 75 right there. And obviously on the black metallic 5s, this is, I believe, a gray if I'm not wrong, and it doesn't say Paris. And on the black metallic 5s, the tongue is actually silver and it's 3M, and obviously on this pair it's black with 3M. And obviously on the bottom, on the black metallic 5s, it doesn't have that PSG logo on the bottom. I believe the shark teeth are the same, I'm not really quite sure. And then on the netting where the laces are, on the black metallic 5s, it's actually like silver, I believe. I'm not really sure. I don't have a pair of black metallic 5s to compare them. But last thing is that on the black metallic 5s, on the back, it says Nike Air. And then obviously this doesn't have Nike Air. It has a PSG logo with this red, white, and black stripe on the back. And like I said, I've seen people say that they don't like this shoe, and I don't blame them, because if you already have the black metallic 5s, I can see why you wouldn't like these, because they are really similar, except just different, just little different hits here and there. But overall, they're pretty much the same shoe. Now, if I had a pair of the black metallic 5s, would I keep these? Probably just one pair, honestly. But like I said, they are very similar. And if I had a pair of the black metallic 5s, I would have probably sell these or just keep one. But since I don't have a pair of black metallic 5s, I never picked them up when they released with the Nike Air on the back. This is a good alternative in my opinion. If you guys don't have the black metallic 5s, you guys can go for these if you guys were like. It's same thing but different, but that's just my opinion. This is the first time we've seen Jordan Brand like sign a deal with a football club, and you know, it was PSG. But this isn't the first time we've seen like a football collab. If you guys remember, a few years ago we actually had the Neymar and Jordan Brand collab, which I have right here. These shoes came out really dope. Obviously Neymar being one of like the best footballers right now, they made a collab and they also did the Jordan 5, but this is obviously the low, and this whole shoe is 3M. This collab right here was dope. You know, I had to cop them. And now we have another football Jordan Brand shoe right here, which is the PSG 5s. And we're also going to be seeing those Jordan 1 PSGs that are dropping, I believe, like next month or something. I'll probably go after them as well, just to see how they look in person. But yeah, overall, in my opinion, this shoe right here is very dope. I understand why people don't like them, because they look exactly like the metallic black 5s, but like I said, they're the same but just a little different. So let me know down in the comments below, did you guys go for these? Did you guys sleep on these? What did you guys think of this shoe? I kind of geeked out when I heard about this, because you know, we never really see a football club or a football player do a collab, and when I saw these I was like, bruh, as a football fan I had these. I'm not really a PSG fan, but you know, stuff like this, I love seeing stuff like this, and I'm hoping we see more in the future. Who knows, with a different club or a player, just like how they did with the Neymar and Jordan collab. Who knows, but hopefully we see more football Jordan brand collabs in the future. But yeah guys, that is going to be it for this video. Just a little pickup, and stay tuned for later on. Hopefully later on this week, maybe next week, I'll upload it, but I have more packages coming in, and obviously they're sneaker related. And yeah, that's going to be it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.